Hi guys, welcome to another series of Ebony Multiventures. On today's series, I'll be sharing with you how to make roasted groundnut. Let's get started. Firstly, I'll be putting my raw groundnut in a clean bowl. After that, I'll be adding some sugar. I added 3 tablespoons of sugar, and I'll be adding salt, 3 tablespoons of salt as well, and I'll be adding hot water. After adding the hot water, you have to cover for about 10 to 15 minutes for the groundnut to absorb the sugar and the salt. So after 15 minutes, this is what we have, and I will be sieving out the water. It's swelling than the what we have before, so I'll be sieving out the water, and I will place it on a tray to sun dry. I can't really state the minutes, but I sun dry for like 3 to 4 hours, but it depends on what you have. So this is what I have after sun drying for about 4 to 3 hours, and I'll start roasting. I have my sea sand in this pot, but it's either you use sea sand or salt. I use both at times, or I use one of it. So I'll be adding my groundnuts to this sea sand. When it is hot, you have to leave it in the pot till it is heat up. After it is heat, you will add the groundnut to it, and you will keep stirring. You can't remove your hand away from it, because once you do that, it will burn. And you have to roast it on a low medium heat to avoid burning and to be well roasted. So we have to keep turning and turning till it is roast for about 15 minutes, and it must be on a low medium heat to avoid fast roasting, which it won't be done, and to avoid burning. So I've roasted this and this is after 15 minutes. I'll be sieving the sand out from it. Please check the content you have. It has to be a golden brown to know if it is roast or not. So I'm just trying to check if the groundnut is well roasted, which it is. So after sieving, and I'm still trying to sieve out the excess sand because I don't want sand on this groundnut. So after sieving, I'll leave it to cool off for hours till it is cold, and I'll be peeling the groundnut. So after peeling, I'll turn it into a bottle, and your roasted groundnut is ready. If you enjoyed this video, please click on the subscribe button, like, comment and share. I'll see you in my next video. Thank you. Bye.